sa mga kabis-aya natin. I am your Azumi Aya, your official vlogger for Sinulog 2020! I know, nag-wonder kayo kung ba't ako nagsasalita dito, kung anong ginagawa ko ngayon. Actually, tatanungin natin ang mga officers ng United Cebuanos sa upcoming event natin sa Sinulog 2020. At saka tatanungin natin sila mga few questions lang naman regarding sa Sinulog, kung saan siya na-originalize, at saka sinong mga partners natin, at ano ang mga ganap natin sa Sinulog 2020. So, I'll see you later, guys! Hello! Mga ka-United Cebuanos natin dyan. Hello, hello, hello! Pupuntahan natin yung mga naggagupuhan, nagmamatsuwa, naggagandahang mga United Cebuanos officers natin. So, ito yung mangyayari. May tatanong lang akong mga question about Sinulog. So, nandito sila. Gigi man. Tara! Hi, guys! Hello! Say hi! Hello! Natin. So, nandito ako ngayon kasi may tatanong ako sa inyo. Mga question lang naman. Konti lang. Gamay lang kung sa Bisaya. Ito pala yung mga officers natin at ito yung naggagandahang mga members officers din. Dancers. Bago ako magtatanong, ipapakilala muna natin ang mga sarili natin kung anong posisyon natin sa United Cebuanos at pangalan, single, married, ganon. Okay, unahin natin kay mahal na presidente ng United Cebuanos. Sir, magpakilala ka po.
Ako po si Dem Manubag and I'm the current president ng United Cebuanos Dubai.
Next natin papakilala, syempre naman, ang magandang Vice President ng United Cebuanos Cebuanos Pakilala po, Miss Richelle.
My name is Rachel Pinez, and I am the Vice President External for United Cebuano Officers.
So after ng Vice President, syempre naman, may secretary tayo. In Bisaya, tagapagsalita.
So,
Papakilala po natin yung secretary ng United Cebuanos, Miss Hiralda Tonyakaw.
Hi everyone, I'm Geraldine Tonyakaw Pinez, and I'm the Speaker of the House, or sinasabi nilang tigpamaba.
Tigpamakba. So ayun, pinakilala ko sa iyo magandang secretary ng United Cebuanos. So, ang susunod natin ipapakilala, syempre ito macho, guwapito. Pero hindi na single. May asawa na. Yung treasurer natin, yung macho treasurer.
Treasure!
Hi! Good evening everyone. My name is Aldrin J. You can call me Aldrin. Officer ng United Cebuanos, Treasurer.
Yun. So, pinakilala natin yung Vice President External. Siyempre, may internal din tayo. Medyo busy kasi siya, kaya hindi natin siya masyadong nakikita. Siya pa yung videographer, editor ng page natin. So, ipapakilala ko po sa inyo yung Vice President Internal Miss Lapi!
Hi everyone!
my name is Miss Lapi.
Lapi is it's my nickname only actually.
Yeah.
So my name is Mirafe. I'm the Vice President Internal of United Cebuanos.
So, kung may treasurer tayo, syempre, may auditor din tayo. So, ito na, no? Papakilala ko yung patent ng grupo namin. So, si Kuya El!
That's me.
Yes guys, good evening. Tulad na sinabi nilang lahat, meron tayong upcoming event sa January for our Sinulog 2020. So,
Very gladly to invite you all there, out there, everybody there, to be there in our event. So, see you guys there. Thank you.
So, kung may mga officers tayo, syempre may members din tayo. Hindi makakompleto ang isang group or isang team kung walang members. So, syempre, hindi lang sila members, mga dancers din to, mga singers.
Dito, dito, si Kuya Chong.
Sino yung mga ugly dancer? Paganyan-ganyan lang yan, pero ang gagaling niyang sumayaw. Nako, mga star dancer yan. Standard to. Si ano, si Joyce.
Question
Ito
number.
may tanong ako. 100 times, 20 times. Joke lang. Joke lang yun.
So ito yung tanong ko, may kodigo ako, sorry. Kailan ba ang sinulog sa UAE?
Sinulog sa UAE 2020 is coming January 24. So bear with us. Keep posted. That's it.
Yun, so sinulog sa UAE 2020, that would be on January 24, 2020.
Contact us or just message us on our Facebook page, which is Sinulog sa UAE, and our Instagram account, Sinulog sa UAE as well.
So actually, nakapublic po yung page na yan sa
Yes,
Facebook
it's
page at saka
public page.
Instagram po namin, Sinulog sa UAE. So ito, next. What will be the difference of the Sinulog sa UAE that we can look forward for?
Ang difference po ng Sinulog sa UAE 2020 compared to the previous Sinulog festival here in Dubai, marami po kaming mga bagong mga segments in which hindi po nagawa before sa previous Sinulog. And marami po kaming mga guests and basta marami po, basta subaybayan nila po. And we are, sana pupunta po kayo sa Sinulog namin. Yun lang.
Yeah. And we are all excited you guys to be
There.
in the
Event
activity
sa
or the
Sinulog.
event. Yeah.
Wow. What was the exceptional reason that you want to bring the Sinulog Festival here in the UAE?
Actually, gusto lang talaga naming maipakita at saka ma-showcase natin yung sariling atin, which is we are from Cebu itself. So gusto namin ipakita yung kung anumang selebrasyon na ginagawa taon-taon sa mismong lugar namin, which is Cebu nga. At saka yun, ma-showcase yung talent, especially sa mga Filipinos, not only Cebuanos, but all Filipinos na yung may mga talento.
Sige.
Of course, we need to see the new faces of our fellow Cebuanos and other expats here in the UAE na mapakita din namin yung kung gaano katalento, gaano kagaling ang mga Pilipino at sa Cebuanos by bringing up Sinulog sa UAE dito sa Dubai.
Wow, yun, ang galing! Ang galing naman ng mga officers na. What will be the theme and the concept of the Sinulog sa UAE 2020?
It's actually the theme. We just follow the same theme of Sinulog sa Sinulog 2020 sa Cebu, which is cause of our unity and charity. So the concept is it's up to our events chair, because she is the one who handled this kind of event and the program.
We have additional for that concept. Actually, this is just we derived this new theme for this Sinulog 2020. So it will be with Rachel, with Lapi, and with Aldrin. So Sinulog is here.
So it will be with Rachel, with Lapi, and with Aldrin. So Sinulog is here.
Ayun.
Participation.
It's my partner. Actually, I just,
Collaboration po ng lahat ng officers and members, because without them, this would
Hindi
not be possible.
Yes.
So this is a group effort. Every
Teamwork.
teams they participated on its own categories, committees, and lahat kami nagsama-sama in order for this activity to be materialized or to be success soon.
And of course, this is for our good camaraderie for the Cebuanos here in Dubai. And then the second thing is we will be engaging in the social media through the Filipino community. And then the next one will be we are doing business collaboration and employment opportunity. And of course, the last, which is letter U, which is my favorite. It will be the unselfish service to everybody in Dubai.
Any other additional?
Yeah, I just want to highlight lang also, especially sa mga dancers, because nakita ko yung eagerness nila at saka yung excitement, which is one of the most yung inaabangan ng mga tao, which is the dance presentations. And I'm lucky that I have my team, which is very much proactive and very much eagerness nila is enthusiasm. And we are very much welcome for those dance enthusiasts to join with us. Anytime you can come with any of the officers, the committee, and any of your friends that are already here in United Cebuanos.
Yes.
All right. Yes. Yes. Once again, we would like to invite everyone to come and join us on our upcoming Sinulog sa UAE 2020 here in Dubai. So lahat ng mga Filipinos, not only Filipinos but all the expats here in UAE, Abu Dhabi, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah. So we're inviting you to come and join us, guys. So come. I mean, yun lang.
Ayun, may additional pa si Miss Rachel, yung
Miss
Vice
Rachel.
President.
Okay, to add on for that, be with us because we'll be having a new segment which is the Sinulog Runway. So we're going to invite the new beast designer, okay?
Yes.
The new beast designer, take note. So that is our one of the concept for our Sinulog 2020. So hopefully everyone can watch our upcoming events by next year. Okay, thank you.
We'll keep you posted, guys.
Yes.
Every now and then. Yes. Yun.
Alright.
Yes.
Galing naman. So, excited lahat actually for the upcoming event, which is the Sinulog 2020. Actually, isa yan sa mga steppings ng Sinulog Days ng Sinulog. So, napakilala ko na sa inyo yung mga officers natin. Bottom line, sa Sinulog, sa UAE, we United Cebuanos would like to showcase kung anong meron ang Sinulog. Yung mga hindi pa naka-experience ng Sinulog sa Cebu, which is na-originalize talaga siya sa Cebu, gusto naming ipakita sa inyo kung anong meron sa Sinulog. Why we are showcasing Sinulog dito sa UAE para sa mga hindi naka-experience ng Sinulog. So alam ko marami mga kabayan natin na gustong makita, masaksihan kung ano ang Sinulog at ano ang feeling pag nandun ka na ipag-celebrate ka sa mga, lalo na sa mga Cebuanos. So that's it. I am Azumi Aya, your official vlogger for Sinulog sa UAE 2020.